Hi, I'm Audrey. Welcome to Siesta Key Rum in sunny Sarasota, Florida. We are a small craft rum distillery founded in 2007, and we produce around 160,000 bottles a year.
This is what the rum begins with. This is Florida-grown molasses. We simply add about 3,000 pounds into this tank right here, add some water and some heat, and clarify the molasses. Once we have our molasses beer, we move on to the end stage of the rum creation process, which is distillation. We put the molasses beer into our still. We heat the still up to the point where the alcohol that's in the beer will boil and turn into a vapor. The alcohol vapor works its way through the still, is eventually turned back into a pure alcohol liquid, which then becomes the rum.
All these barrels are actually all used bourbon barrels, and they all go into making just one rum, our Distillers Reserve Spice Rum.
We offer free tours and tastings right here at our distillery. We're located close to Sarasota's world-class beaches, and the John and Mabel Ringley Museum is right down the road from us. When you're in the area, we'd love to have you stop in, try the rums for yourself, and see what Siesta Key Rum's all about.